Hi Samantha, I've got four slightly different versions of the laundry room to show you here. This is concept one, pretty much as you've described, 45 wide, 300 deep, nominally 280 actually, and they protrude about, I think it's about 420. The 55 deep basket is for a different system. This is the gliding basket. I've shown two drying racks up here. My personal opinion is that you don't have room for two drying racks. That distance there is only 250 millimeters, and that distance there is about 600. It allows this lower one to swing down out of use. So there are I've got concept 4. I've basically reduced these two baskets to 180, thus creating a bit more height here, and I've created 350 millimeters there. It's kind of a bit more practical, but my gut feeling is I don't think you can fit two drying racks in there. I would buy one, get it all set up and see what you think of it, but you know, it's that's your call. We can talk about that more later. The other thing I wanted to point out is the click-in melamine shelves have absolutely zero moisture resistance as they arrive from Alpha, but I often supply these with my own moisture resistant white faced and edge boards, and I've just looked at what I've got in the studio over there. I have some of these in stock, so that is something we can consider. Let's quickly move on to concept 2, and what have I changed here? Yes, let's go back to 1. You'll see that I've used the 600 millimeter wide drying rack. They don't make a 450 wide anymore, so if we go to concept 2, I've shown the 900 millimeter wide drying rack there. Everything else is the same. Both of those will, in fact I can show you that, both of those will drop down. Yes, that's that one. Let's show that in its down position. Apply. Okay, so there you go. I mean, they will roughly fold down on top of each other. Won't be completely flat, but it's pretty good. They go virtually flat, so you can use the rail. I guess that was your thinking there with that combination. Let's go to concept 3. Yes, now you'll notice on all of them, on the room, I've marked out what you said was your width there of just over a meter. I did wonder if perhaps you could squeeze a fraction more into that width, because then you could go 45, 600. It gives you more basket volume there, and it means, you know, that is a slightly more elegant solution on the drying racks, but concept wise workable. So just you'll have all the dimensions on the 2D drawings I'm going to send you, but let's just quickly look at concept 4. Whoops, I need to put that in a section view. That'll do. So yeah, yes, this is the one where I've used a 180 basket there to create more height here, and you can see at a glance that, you know, maybe that top rack is a bit more usable, but the bottom one still has space to swing down. You could make that second row 180, giving you, you know, even more height to play with between those drying racks. All of the key dimensions are on the drawing. I will work out some prices. It's not going to be a million miles from what we talked about, although moving away from those shelves there will add some cost. Alpha also make a 600 wide worktop, which is perhaps worth considering because that's all metal and it won't be damaged by moisture, but I do have a solution for that moisture damage on those shelves. Okay, speak soon.